Hello, beautiful people. As you all know, my name is Mrs. Tracey Boakye. You can call me Tracey Boakye. I am the CEO of Shakira Movie Production. I am so excited today. Very, very excited. Yes. One, our YouTube channel crossed the 100,000 subscribers, which made us had an award. Also, got verified on our YouTube channel. We want to say a very big thank you to you all. So, how I got into the movie industry, that was way back. I was 18, but I know I was 18. I was schooling outside Ghana. I was in London. So I had always wanted to be an actress. And then, say when you are young and parents be one go school and do baby now say, okay, acting, need those kind of things, are they gonna get mad at you? But I said, I want to go to Ghana, I want to act. So it brought me back to Ghana. I started going for auditions, that time, me by school kakra wa Ghana. Then because school me this will be your auditioner. Me na my picking number no. Then I'll call and go for the audition. And surprisingly, directed bia me drew her bia no. They're like, I'm using this girl. Everybody knows what I'm talking about. And encouraging me, and mommy who said, then I can do it. Because baby, I made Drew piano. They loved my acting. And Nana, I looked up to Nana Mama Brown. And then I says, I'm a co-auditioner. I go to movie a womb. I'll be like, move when Nana won't baby. I'm saying, okay, and then I'm into it. Then I'll watch her that very night. So the next morning when I go, I just give it out like that. Then surprisingly, one said lead character, supporting character. Na ye dia mama, na my year. My first lead character was Vera, which was 2012, and your Kumasi who said Ghana Movie Award. Like, I've been nominated for Best Actress in the Lead Role. I'm like, I'm going for me. So actually, yes, they loved it. All the judges that watched the movie, nominated, they loved it. It was just Jackie, Nana Mama Brown, myself, and I think Emilia. We were just four. And so that was my first lead character movie, and it took me far. The producer of that movie was my husband's senior brother, Pepe. So Pepe was like, yes, I'm trying to movie. And it was challenging because they had other female artists that they wanted to use. But I said, no, make me pay ya. They didn't know pay ya, no. My husband now, ex-girlfriend. And so he fought for me. Yes, so that will also tell you, but yeah, that's not where we are here. So Pepe fought for me, got me that role. I didn't disappoint them. I gave it out and it blew. Me wo feel na me director bi oyen no say Tracey, I didn't know why I won't produce movies. I'm like, maybe I need to. So no, you can't. Why produce what dear? That was when I tried. And it was that same 2012. 2012, sorry. And me producing the first movie, no. Me remember who said Ede. That time, no, ucha, CD, na ya tongue, ya do sika mount, young girl, aja, me madi and kakra. And it saw me them, and it has brought me here. So I started in 2012 with the movie producing. Me did 18. That was when I started acting for other producers. Me did 21, and I lead role which is Vera, and me until at the age of 21, which is 2012, and I started movie production by myself. So after the lead role movie, I started my own production. So my first first time I did camera see me so first movie, Cicera. That's the title of the movie, Cicera. Cicera by Opam Films. My first time ever. Opam, I greet you. Me who the audition keke. Ewo amo posti flyer wall paper. And I'm picking a number, no, I'm a friend, no. A call audition. Me will fear. So I just had a call. Say, Opam Films you hear was settle. Me am shame. I'm like, ish. Like, I want to be an actress, but what is this? And I was very young. That time, my cousins, they weren't happy, like, oh, yeah, young, because school kakra. So, me, na me true. To me, ria me ho, eko chai. And they loved it. The first time I'm a choir, I had to shout on a guy, be or me, I had to slap him. Because no one was saying, yeah, didn't run, I'm good at. And I did it. I was shivering a bit, but I did it. Na a band to my coma say. Me really no na director ni sabe chia me say Opam. No see you did very well. I'm saying that I say. After me go do if you know. Now I am a headache. I'm like, when this movie comes out, I mean, because my brothers, my cousins, they knew almost me go school. The movie some no me this year, and it came out, and from then it blew. So that was my first time on set. Cicera, that's the movie. First time I did come to see this by Opam Films. I love this question. Why Shakira? No reason. Ray or designing poster or printing poster or asafo. Kuma would you be any Ray asafo. Me ko de ba ko na TB production or so. My first movie production. And I Ray say, I think it didn't what Tracey Boakye production or something. I'll say Tracey. Na Tracey Boakye production da be no bi ko to movie or be no Tracey Boakye na dey dey wadodo for simple name be to Shakira. And I'm just I said never boy their fashion way. Just like that. So I don't have any reason. Just like that. Ray no so Shakira there. Obi abetimi aka. Enti yemfa Shakira and so na mti ani e fa to so. That was it till today. Yes. Okay, so Tracey Boakye TV, also known as Shakira Movie Production. Shakira Movie Production has produced over 30 movies for the past 12 years. Known for our good works, movies like Deception, Nice Throw, Menam Na Metete, Baby Mama, Sugar Mommy, a whole lot. Be brave. Any movie that you see Shakira Movie Production on it is produced by myself. We've really worked on bringing out new faces. Always. From the one that we started our production, we always try to bring out the talents in new faces. We mostly have an audition, and anybody that qualifies, we bring them out and bring out the best in them. Although it's not easy bringing out a new face, especially people that they are not used to, you know. But Shakira Movie Production, we try our best to bring out new faces always. So stay tuned. Anytime that you hear that Shakira Movie Production is having an audition, just pick up the numbers, call, come, and we're going to have an audition with you. If you deserve any role, we're going to hand it over to you. So far as you're going to handle it good for us. We always bring out the best in people. We always bring out new faces. That's Shakira Movie Production. When it comes to the cost involved in our movies, we actually spend a lot. We can actually come up with a figure because movie beer any cost are involved. Talk about artists, location, the equipment, everything involved now. When you know that when you're watching our movies, it's a top notch. Location and everything. You compromise you. We bring out the best. It's not always about the quantity, but the quality is Shakira Movie Production. So we can't actually give out a figure for a movie, but what we know is we spend a lot. just to bring out the best for you guys to enjoy. So what you can do to support us, let's say, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you're watching this interview on, Tracey Boakye TV, and watch all our movies. Just do that for us, and we promise to bring you nothing but the best. Movie business is profitable in Ghana. It was much profitable before. See the side a drop here now, digital, YouTube, no. It was a bit challenging for me. I'm talking for myself. It was a bit challenging because you just say me trust see this maybe 500,000 copies at the Accra market. They sell, they give you your money. Until all of a sudden, ultra movie now, on go see the studio. You have to upload. And on YouTube, no. I was say, unya subscribers and sana or mashe. Movie would come marketer, distributor, no. Automatically people will come and buy because they know say miracle at on movie, wait on movie. So they just go straight and buy. But this is all of a sudden. You have to upload. Who is going to watch? Yes, so it was a bit challenging when the things are swishy, But God being so good and the love you guys have for us, we are here today. We've made it. And it's much profitable. We are still making it like we used to make before. Swishing they're not easy, but it's profitable now. Yes, aside movie production, we have other businesses that we do handle. Yes, we've got a lot of businesses that we handle. Sometimes for security reasons, it's not anything that we want to show that this is for us. No. But aside movies, movies is what everybody knows that we do. But when it comes to our other businesses too, yes, sometimes people knows that, this is for Tracey and the husband. This is for them. Sometimes we just stay off and then cash out. So we've got a lot of businesses that we do. As you can see, these days, my husband hasn't been on business for a while. He's very busy with other things. Very, very, very busy with other jobs that we do. That means I have to handle the movie side and then he also handles the other side. So aside movie production, we do a lot. We've got a lot of businesses that we do handle. Somehow has really helped me, has helped my family and I. Somehow brought some challenges, but God being so good, Bibia added an aquin. When I say challenges are, ain't easy because being famous no and yet bibia na obetimi aye and a sebe it's like ya bie bibi so ato honum obia timi gyan na ade etum the good ones and the bad ones, but it's up to you on how you're going to take it and how you're going to react to it. Ain't easy. What about a public figure? The obia feel biano otimi catch and the social media that romantic or type in a comment cry it drew any it's no your feeling biano otimi ma hu una or catch on you don't know the person, but then the person feels me a Tracey Boakye fan. Me heard the movies I deal with yeah and me pen to me the meka no I find the phone now I type it Nyankopon ma ye ho akoma. We take it in a good faith and then work things out. Sometimes when you be bia na yema no etimi the good side is it's beautiful. When you get somewhere, udru be bia, I was say join queue they see you, they open for you. The good opportunities are fame dia brand bebre. Enyema bebre nyame adom which aso mebusia so de edoso a dorsum, I mean to me, bobo. And fame no edit, but it has the good side and the bad side. But in all, no, you can't in album Emma, the good side, no, it didn't come. So fame has helped me a lot. A lot. Baby anka sebi mean to me ra fame nti. Me ra home pennyphobia anka mean to me call me fame nti. Enti no, aboa me pa. Being a mother and always being on set, I actually divide my time into two. Everybody that knows me knows that I don't joke with my kids. All my time, I am a madia, and then they know I work. So what I do is, my schedule time almost school. That is when I put the scripts together, go on set and shoot. And then almost vacation, I make sure I make all the time. So if you've been following me, you know every holidays I travel out with them. I leave my channel and travel out with them to have time to, create memories. Na yeba baka, almost schooler. Then I move on set. Combining motherhood with going on sets now is I have time for them when they are home, and then I have time for the job when they go to school. And it's easy, especially with the little one, because Ononanian started school and I always want to take care of them myself, although I've got nannies that will help, my husband is there to help, but I always want to take care of them. I want to be part of it. Me combine it so that I don't stay away so much from my kids and I don't stay away so much from my job. So the things that I hear, Mitimika say, oh wow, a lot. And some people walk around me, and then me who I'm Mr. I just laugh a lot. Oh, and some people, yes. When I got married, for instance, and some people, the good ones, the bad ones, no, I took it in good faith. I took it in good faith because once I obey to the baby, as I always say, no, only most of a public figure. Into the only for social media that Roma obey to me type it, but it's up to you. It's up to you to know. Some funny comments that I heard. My husband is not a social media person, and I'm not too deep about this. I don't penny myself. But then, or to Germany, I'm like, really? You don't know him. And as I said, on your social media type, so I don't want to go there. Means also means and then, hey, it's not true. So you always have to use the positive side. For positive side, no. So the same people that talk about those things, no, they will be like, oh wow. Because I've been seeing comments these days. Tracey, you've proven us wrong. Hey, Tracey, worry, you're fatal, so yes. And some the idea, I just laugh and then move on. At the end of the day, I need to concentrate. Yes. No. I don't have any issue with any producer, any actor, actress, crew member, any Obi himself, me a very jovial, like many Obi Aka. Oya Madene Hamia, I will tell you my mind at that spot. Yes, I'm a damn that. I will tell you near solve it. You bet me a solve it, I ever solve it. Yent me solve it, na Obi Afani baby, but yen yaka, me yaka. Hello. Yes. So I don't have issue with anybody. Not at all in the industry. Not at all. Obia, yeah, madam. How I feel acting with my husband. when it comes to my job, I don't compromise. Yes, he's my husband. But we work, we leave that for some while. We don't leave it at home. Yeah, the cost says so. But then you try to work a crabby and make sure we concentrate and act. The word is act. After acting, no, we're back to normal and we're back to our love life. So acting with my husband sometimes is not easy, especially since that I'll be his house help or something. Nah, you know, a different lady being his wife, you know, that kind of feel. Yes, jealous kitsue, but we're working and you know, it's business. It's business. So we act, he kiss naturally, does everything because that is how it's supposed to be. And we're both acting and then we are married. It's not any role that, for instance, me, I can play. But for him, he got to do it because the money's coming to us. So I take it cool, I take it normal because at the end of the day, if you are, before my idea, I'm the call. So please watch out for our auditions. As I told you, no, we always want to bring out new faces. So far as you can do it. I got a chance, so I also want to give others chance. Intimate Pacho, my Instagram page, Mrs. Tracey Boakye, Tracey Boakye, my Facebook page, my YouTube, my social media handles, is going to be under this video. Stay tuned. Because you better have a new audition, and trust me, if you are good and you deserve it, we're gonna give it to you. So watch out for our new auditions, our upcoming auditions coming up very soon. The future for Shakira movie production, Tracey Boakye TV. Our subscribers, our fans should look out for more because as I told you, switching, you're switching, you're what we want, as in subscribers, and we want more because more. Yeah. We do all types of movies when it comes to local, drama, emotional, BBR on Shakira movie production, everything. So watch out for the future of Tracey Boakye TV, which is Shakira movie production. We are ready to bring you quality, premium, classy, nothing but the best. So watch out for us. The future is bright with Shakira movie production. Upcoming actresses and upcoming producers, advice kakara me debe mo money say. Actress say odi bibi esi wani so say this is what I want to do and I'll pay say yeah. Please concentrate. The word is concentrate. Focus on what you want to do. If not, baby I would do when you say I'll pay say do because a pimpema, punches, work criminal. And yet easy. But at the end of the day, if you are able to achieve the ODC when you so now, then the public will get to know, oh wow, she made it or he made it. It's not easy. I won't sit here and lie to you. It is never easy. But Nyankopon adom, any determination, you will focus into it. You're gonna get there. So what I send back no abembo na obeja idea. And then patch upcoming actress, upcoming actor, and back. Stay home because bad they will come after you. Both good, both bad ways. But in all, focus and reach your goal. Upcoming producer. As I said previously, say before you produce a movie, the first question you're supposed to ask yourself is say, That's the first question. You don't just go on set with a crew, artists, and everything and go and shoot a movie. Now you're a producer. Unless you want to put it in your room and watch, and know they're fine. But some movie, no, all person with the piano or motion, for there. Please ask yourself this question first. That where am I going to show it? Ube premiere. Premiere, what's next? There are TV stations you can give to them. There are other, sort of ways. But please make sure you know the right channel before you start. As a sister, as your daughter, as your sister, your mother, that's the advice that I'll give you. One who baby out there, who be cherry, na akofansin bebre, na ayewoka, and all you say is industry good. No. Please know where you are taking it. How you're gonna investment business misika, and the maybe drew him before you start. I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for watching this beautiful one-on-one interview. I thank you all because, as I always say, if somebody doesn't like you, on person who they want your car, obi to me. I don't even baby I won't nam kwa me person me fa. So the fact that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you follow me on social media, all my social media handles. Oh my God. Maybe I dare to it's beautiful. And I appreciate that. Keep on supporting me. Sometimes I might not be perfect, but trust me, I love you guys. Thank you for being there for me. Keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel. Keep on following my social media handles. And to all the artists in Ghana, Nigeria, the Biano, I can call you at any time because Ejumane be happening here, baby. Obia call me about Obia so at any time. We will be on scripts into Ejuma. So keep on loving, keep on supporting us. All movie producers, actresses, actors, everybody. Obia won't fear Bia follow Tracey Boakye brand now. I'm sure. On your case, no phone free afternoon and quiet. I love you all. From my family to yours. Thank you.